Hello and welcome to Daily English Practice. My name is Sarah and today we're going to learn more than 20 IELTS vocabulary. Don't forget to repeat after me.
Ambiguous. Ambiguous. It means unclear. The road sign was ambiguous, so I got lost. Amenity. Amenity. It means comfort. The hotel amenity I loved most was the free Wi-Fi. Ample. Ample. It means plenty. Mom made ample food for the party. Amusement. Amusement. It means fun. The amusement park had scary rides. Analogous. Analogous. It means similar. A heart is analogous to a pump. Analyze. Analyze. It means study. I analyze my test mistakes to learn. Ancient. Ancient. It means very old. The ancient castle was built 500 years ago. Annoying. Annoying. It means irritating. My little brother is annoying when he's bored. Anticipate. Anticipate. It means expect. I anticipate rain because of the dark clouds. Antiquated. Antiquated. It means outdated. The antiquated computer was slow and old. Appealing. Appealing. It means attractive. The appealing cake made my mouth water. Approximately. Approximately. It means about. The movie is approximately 2 hours long. Aptly.
Aptly.
She aptly described the sunset as magical. Arbitrary. Arbitrary. It means random. The teacher made an arbitrary choice for team captain. Archaic. Archaic. It means ancient knights used archaic weapons like swords. Arid. Arid. It means dry. The arid desert had no water for miles. Assert. Assert. It means state firmly. I assert that chocolate is the best flavor. Assimilate. Assimilate. It means absorb. Plants assimilate sunlight to make food. Assortment. Assortment. It means variety. The candy store had a huge assortment of sweets. Astounding. Astounding. It means amazing. The magic trick was astounding and surprised everyone. Astute. Astute. It means smart. The astute detective solved the mystery quickly.
If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and hit